morning and welcome. It's Jolly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, and it's well past Christmas now. I think we're on the Tuesday. So all the Christmas celebrations are pretty much over. So I suppose we're heading for New Year now. Celebration. So back in my studio after quite a long break because I just did scheduled videos. I've just been doing a bit of coating of some previous work that I did. This was one that I'm absolutely love the colours of. When I did the final piece, I did some string pulls through it just to add a bit of dimension and just to try it out. And now it's got the gloss coating on. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm very pleased with that one. The link is there. It's on my videos, and just a few little testers that I did turned out really well. A little gloss coating on them. So they were testers that I did. So the videos are all up on my channel and the links are there. So today I just had sort of a weird combination in my head. It's not much colour change, but I decided I'm going to go with it and do what was in my head. So off we go. I will jump in and explain the colours as we go along. I'll try and miss the boring bits, like covering this particular canvas that's with paint. So I always put marbles in the bottom of my bottle, so when you shake them up, they actually, the marbles help mix the paint as well. Keep the paint from sticking to the sides of your canvas. So always a good idea. So I'm just going to coat this particular canvas. This is a 40 by 50 with paint to see how I go. Rightio, for a bit of the crazy colour combination. I wanted to use two different kind of gold. So I've used metallic gold, antique gold, and then I have gone and mixed antique gold and silver together, which makes a lovely champagne. So this is my champagne gold. So that's 50% gold, 50% silver, makes this lovely colour. So remembering this is what I had in my head, so this is what I am going to do today. See how we go. So this one is the metallic gold, which is this one, metallic gold. And this is just the plain antique gold on its own. They're mixed with my normal pouring medium, and the recipe for that is in the drop down box underneath this video. Always there. There's a link also to beginners videos. And for whatever reason, I had it in my head I wanted to use, it's not gold, but it's kind of in the goldy tones, the Maples Yellow from Basics Liquitex. So I know that they're all kind of samey, but this is what I had in my head, so I just had to go with it. I might have to adjust it and change it because it might not turn out because they're crazy colours together. And then I wanted to put some of the metallic copper in, just as a bit of a contrast, I guess. Kind of very tribal like colours to me. Now I was going to not add another colour and keep it with the goldy tones, but I had this thing that I wanted to add some turquoise, and this is actually turquoise by Joe Sonia's Wide, just because I had it sitting there for a long time and haven't used it, so I thought I might as well use it. So I'm going to put some of that in there too. Hope it doesn't swallow up all my golds. I might have to try it again with just my golds, I suppose, if it does. But just a wee bit, just to throw the colours. Now, down the centre of these bands, I'm going to do the Amsterdam Black, and it's just mixed with Aussie Floetrol. I decant the Floetrol into smaller containers. So I'm going to put a good squirt of Aussie Floetrol through there, and the Amsterdam Black. It's what I hope is going to make the whole thing pop. So I didn't want to do big swipes, so we'll see what I've got in the different sizes. So I'm going to use the soft plastic file divider to do my swipes, which is always reusable, wash them over and over again. So I'm just going to place that in the black and just gently draw it through. Holy dooly! Julie, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. And for whatever reason, I just had these colours humming around in my head for the last couple of days, and I'm thinking, no, they won't look good together, but you have to sometimes do what's in your head, whether it's right or wrong. You feel you've got to do it, and I felt I've got to do this, and I'm absolutely loving it. Loving it. They kind of really do look very tribal colours. Whatever tribal colours are. I'm not worried about these endy bits too much, but look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Maybe it would be easier for me to, no, I'll turn it all the way around. Try and bring you for a close-up to see these absolutely gorgeous glistening cells, because they've got so much of the metallic gold and everything in them. Now I'm going to offset this swipe so it's not the same lines. I actually like that it's given, instead of it looking completely flat all across. Oh, this is a beauty. Those are gorgeous there. Absolutely gorgeous. So just wipe your swipey tool off. I'm having to straddle this big standard poodle that I have is right at the back, lay right underneath my feet, because they actually like to be touching me before they settle. Crazy dog. Rightio, we'll try this one. More on here. I am absolutely loving this. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, you must try it. I don't think I know I've definitely done these colours before, but I'm not sure if I've done them quite like this. That's beautiful. I love it. Wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I need to bring you down to have a look at this, but we'll give it a little hit with the heat gun. Just wait on 1 second, I'll bring you down. Just look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Cells. And then as they fade out to the the tips of the canvas, they fade out in colour but kept the beautiful, beautiful cells. Look at these through here. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. So there you go. White was in my head for those particular colours, but boy, 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 I am happy about that. Happy Jen. It's kind of definitely like a city skyscraper, you know, like the lights at night. I mean, if that dried, I suppose you could be creative and paint in some little buildings in black just with the lights on and have it as a reflection swipe. It's all good. I love it. I absolutely love it. Look at this. So I hope you do too. So back in my art room, and I'm pretty happy about that. Very happy about it. Hope you love it too. And thank you so much for joining me. Please join me tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. It is absolutely free and it helps me. Thanks so much. Until tomorrow, take care. Bye for now. I did this video and I absolutely love what I did, but I just want to have a fiddle. And you're probably going to be mad with me, but that's, as an artist, that's what I have to do to explore. So I want to do some wiggles through it, I guess. I'm going to wow, love it. Oh my goodness, it's just coming beautiful. It was beautiful anyway, I know, but I just want to try these things. Super duper, super duper. Love it. I'm leaving it and I'm calling that my chaser. That is absolutely, I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to finish off my sides now and you'll see some photos there and it's beautiful. It's just given it like a lift, a three-dimensional. Those chasers have linked in like little, what do you call them? I don't know. Can't think. If you can think, tell me, because I can't. Okie dokie. Till tomorrow, my lovely people. Bye for now.